Putting soy sauce in your pilau to make it brown? No, 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 no. That's the biggest lie I have heard today. Let me show you the secret I use to make my pilau not only flavorful, but also have that brown popping color too. These are the spices that are used, as you can see. I do not use tomatoes. If I am planning to eat the pilau with kachumbari, then I use the insides of the tomatoes. Tomatoes alters the taste. Use tomato paste instead. Make sure to grind your garlic and ginger to a paste. Here, I am adding fresh cumin. I love how it pops in my mouth when eating. I use 2 brands of Pilau masala, that is tropical and Olays. I discovered that one is more flavorful and the other has that deep brown color, so I use both to get the perfect result. I do not wash my rice, but if you have the kind that you have to wash, then don't use the 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water ratio because the washed rice already has water. After you have poured the first cup of hot boiling water, not cold water, you stir the pot and make sure nothing is stuck at the bottom. Then, pour the rest of the hot boiling water. Add your salt to taste, and wait for the level of water to reduce before covering. When you can almost see the rice, stir it from the edge of the pot, just like this. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to very low. The end result is beautiful. Oops! I forgot to take a photo of my plate. It was very delicious.